Making presentations is one of the most tedious and time-taking jobs, be it for a college project or a client requirement. If only there was a solution to make them quickly and more effectively, life could have been so much easier, isn't it? Well, guess what? We do have a solution now. In this video today, I'm going to share with you some amazing AI tools with the help of which you can create presentations that are more attractive, well designed, and in lesser amount of time than you spent earlier. All these tools I'm sharing with you are non-sponsored, are either free or have low subscription charges so that you can start using them immediately. Hi everyone, I am Neha Agrawal. I'm the founder of WiseUp, and on this channel I make videos that will help you in boosting your career. Before we begin, I'd like to thank all of you for showering so much love on my presentations video on how to make a killer presentation and how to deliver presentations confidently. I'm sure you're going to find this video equally useful as well. And now, without further delay, let's get started. The first tool I'd like to share with you is Presentations.AI. Presentations.AI, or as they like to call themselves, ChatGPT of presentations, is a versatile AI presentation maker that can help you create your presentations within seconds. Within Presentations.AI, you have three options. The first option is starting with the prompt. Say, for example, you have a college presentation the very next day and you don't have time to brainstorm content. Then all you need to do is enter the topic in Presentations.AI, choose the number of slides you want, and within seconds, the entire presentation will be generated for you. For this, they will first give you an outline of all the information they are going to cover in each of these slides. Here, you have a chance to either edit the information or go with what they have given. Once you approve the outline, they will ask you for the font, the color scheme, and once you give that information, within seconds you will have an attractive presentation right in front of you. But now, sometimes you might feel that just by entering the topic, the kind of presentation you're getting is quite generic, and you would like to have a presentation that covers the information that you want. So for this, you have the second feature, the second option on Presentations.AI. Here you can upload a script or a video or some links, and with the information that you have provided, Presentations.AI will create an entire presentation for you. When I uploaded my script, I was quite satisfied with the way all the information was presented across different slides. After this, I am free to edit the presentation further in terms of template, content, pictures to make it more to my liking. Personally, I found this second feature to be much more useful as compared to the first one. Now, the third option they offer is for you to upload an existing presentation, and the Presentations.AI will make it more attractive for you. Personally, I did not like this option so much. Firstly, because it has a size limit of 5 MB, and within 5 MB I was able to upload only 3 to 4 slides. Secondly, I felt that it also did not do a very good job in making my presentation attractive. However, the good thing about this entire platform is that you can explore the first two features absolutely free. It's only when you want to export it as a PowerPoint file that you need to pay a premium. Now, the next tool I'd like to share with you, and personally my favorite, is Beautiful.AI. When I was going through all the AI tools that are available in the market right now, I found this one to be super useful. Generally, when we are making presentations, either a business presentation or for a project, we would like complete control over the slides. What Presentations.AI did for us is that based on our script or based on the topic, it created the slides for us, giving us room to only edit them. However, we might want to design our slides from scratch, but we don't want to spend as much time as we do on PowerPoint in designing each and every infographic, formatting the layout, and trying to make our presentations more attractive. So for this purpose, we have Beautiful.AI. Beautiful.AI has amazing templates for you to choose from. But what I like best is the range of slide layout options they offer. For example, if you just want to incorporate text in your slides, then they have multiple layout options for that. Or else, you could have a combination of image and text, infographics, charts and graphs, comparison slides, and even slide layouts like timeline, calendar, testimonials, making it so much easier for you to choose the right layout and then design your slides accordingly. Not only that, whenever the content of your slides changes, the formatting will automatically adjust itself, saving you so much time and effort. Personally, for me, whenever I was creating my course presentations, I would create each and every infographic, table, chart from scratch, and that used to take a lot of time. So when I saw all these features available on Beautiful.AI, even I felt that I can actually migrate to this platform and it's going to save me a lot of time. Another amazing thing about Beautiful.AI is that it allows you to collaborate with your team members and colleagues on the same presentation, or even import your existing PowerPoint presentation and then work on it to make it more attractive. Another amazing thing about this particular platform is that these features are available absolutely for free for you to try. However, if you want a similar feature like Presentations.AI where you give a prompt and the entire presentation is generated for you, in that case you will have to go for the Pro plan. Now the third AI tool I'd like to share with you is Gamma.ai. Gamma offers the best of both worlds. It offers the same features as Presentations.AI, where you can create your presentation from a single line of prompt, upload your notes, or even text to explain, or you can also create your slides from scratch with the range of templates and slide layout options that they offer. Even though these are not as extensive as Beautiful.AI, however, they are still quite useful. Now there is one feature of Gamma.ai that makes it much more superior to both Presentations.AI and Beautiful.AI, and that is its focus on data security, particularly in preventing data leakage and ensuring security compliance on cloud collaboration platforms like Slack, Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, etc. So if you are working on a presentation which consists of sensitive data that you cannot afford to get leaked, for example your research presentation or a business presentation, then you can go ahead with Gamma.ai, as it's going to be a much more safer platform for you. Another good thing about Gamma is that most of its features are free for you to explore, and even if you have to go for their premium plan, the pricing is quite affordable. So everyone, that's all I wanted to share with you today. What I'd recommend is that based on the information I've shared and the features you require, go ahead and create an account on these platforms. Once you even experiment with these platforms for 10 minutes, you will know which platform is suiting your needs more, and then you can go ahead and utilize that. Also, since I'm new to this area as well, I'd love your suggestions on which other AI tools are quite useful for presentation making. Please put them down in the comments below and I'll try to take it up in my future videos. And now, thank you so much for watching this video, and I wish you have a fantastic career ahead.